Going on, guys? Welcome back to the apartment maintenance channel. Today we're going to be changing out an ice maker, working in a turn, getting ready for a new move-in, and just finishing up. And I noticed the ice maker, the switch here for the on and off is broke. So it's going to be a pretty easy swap out. Just going to go ahead and pull out your ice tray, and you can see the switch here. No matter what, off or on, it doesn't do anything, and it's actually stuck on. So what we're going to do is just swap it out. Got another one right here ready to go. And all we're going to do is unloosen two screws. They're 1/4 inch. There'll be one here, and then this plug here will unplug that, which is underneath the ice maker. So the first thing you want to do is pull your refrigerator out and unplug it. So I'm going to go ahead and pull it out, get it unplugged. Okay, we're all good. We got the refrigerator unplugged. Now we're safe to work. And here's a look of the ice maker while it's mounted. You see the two screws right there. You want to just loosen those up so we can lift up on the ice maker. And then you got your wire harness right here. These two little tabs, one on the bottom, one on the top. You can just use a little flathead screwdriver, or if you can pull them down, just that one actually came off pretty easily. They don't usually come that easy, but those two tabs, you can pry one down, work it out, and then do the same for the top. Now we'll loosen up the top mounting screws. See if that's enough. That's it. Oh, got some water in there. Let me dump that out. Alright, so on our new one here, you can see we don't have the little pail here in the back for the water to come in. The water comes through that tube, enters in here, and then fills up your tray. So we're going to remove this off the old one, and we'll snap it onto the new one. And back here, there's a little tab right there. Just push that in and lift this off. Okay, we got it off. There it is. And we'll just go ahead and push it in, and you'll hear it click. There we go. Okay, on the back here, you want to make sure you get this cup up underneath your tube that's coming through, and then just hang your screws. Hang the ice maker on the screws there. Looks like we're pretty good. Now we'll just go ahead and tighten it up. And as you tighten it, it will pull up into position. And now we'll go ahead and plug in the wire harness. And as you can see here, on the end, you got two flat ones on the left side there. The ends are flat. On this side, they're round. And then you got one flat one in the middle. And come back here to your plug. And see the top has the two round, and the bottom, the two ends, have the flat. So you know which way it goes in, which is just like this. Push it in till you hear it click. There we go. Top and bottom locked in place. And there's the switch that's broke on the other one. on, off. And you see this little flapper here that comes out, because when the ice tray fills up, it will push that in and stop it from making ice until you use the ice.